Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can actually automate this particular strategy with the LS futures or indicator, whichever one you want to set up. Again, I like to use this particular indicator to figure out how I want to do my setup. Went over in the last video. And then what you can do over here is set that particular indicator up. Now, you can actually automate this to your demo account on TradeLocker or your live account on TradeLocker or prop firm. Now, you want to make sure that whatever prop firm you automate, that they allow it so you don't get in trouble. I know like Lucid is one of them, but I'll let you figure that out as a trader. Now, let's say that we wanted to set it up just like this and we like this setup and we want to automate it. Well, click the link below and you can be able to create a free account and you're going to be able to go to the traders post. So it's a free account. Once you create that free account, you can actually connect this 7 days free for your first time, and then it's like $50 a month. And if you want to, you can just practice on a demo account. So again, if you don't have a TradeLocker account yet, go to TradeLocker.com and you can just create a free account, and then make sure you create like a demo account. Then once you create your demo account, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna have a demo account right here. What you can do, and back here is you're gonna hit connect to broker, and you're gonna choose what platform you want. So they do have the different prop firms. Again, just be careful with prop firms, so you don't get in trouble. But we're gonna just choose TradeLocker. And then you're gonna hit connect to TradeLocker. And I'm gonna log in with my account for the demo. And now it has your balance right here. You can turn it on by hitting enable. So now you have everything that you're connected. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to strategies. And we're going to just do new strategy. I'm going to delete all of these for now. Oops, let's delete these. So we can do it from scratch. I'm going to show you how to do it directly from scratch. It's super simple too, so no worries. So the first thing you're going to do is going to hit new strategy. You're going to name it. We're going to just call this liquidity. We're going to just call it liquidity sniper. You can name whatever you want. You're going to choose futures. You're going to allow auto submit, allow live trading, allow this. If you're going to you're going to hit edit subscriptions by default. Allow both sides. Allow side swiping. You're going to scroll down. You're going to click market. Scroll down. And you're going to see another market sooner or later, somewhere around here, market right here for exit. And then I think that's it for that. Then we can hit close for that. Again, you want to make sure that you allow all of this stuff. Let's go back through here, make sure we have everything. Then we can hit save. And then hit subscribe. Now, you can click here, create the subscription, and then after you do that, you have everything. You're gonna hit auto submit. That means it's gonna pretty much auto submit the trade, so it's gonna auto trade for you by hitting auto submit. And then you're gonna hit enable. Now you are enabled. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do webhooks. Now, if you're going to use the indicator, you're going to pick this one. If you're going to use the strategy, you're going to pick this one. So we're going to use the indicator. Hit copy. And under indicator, we're going to hit add alert. LS indicator. Any alert, you're going to pick that. You're going to click message. And you're going to change the name to this. And it's going to send just like that. Apply. So that's the message it's going to send. Then you're going to click the webhook, and you're going to come here, and you're going to click copy webhook. You're going to paste the webhook. Now you might have to have a paid account with TradingView. I'm not sure to get the webhook version. Those, and you have to do that. But cool. Then it might be $14 a month. I'm not sure. You might be in the free version. I'm not sure. But hit create, and now you're good. Now, if you want to log into your TradeLocker account so you can just check everything, for those who don't know how to do that, if you go to TradeLocker, I'm on the demo, so we can hit connect demo, log in, proceed. Now, you're going to also have to, if you do it this way, you're going to have to purchase the TradingView thing. So if you don't want to do that, you can just watch it from your TradingView account. And all you have to do is on TradeLocker, you can see all your trades here. But if you want to see on TradingView, you have to pay an extra $10. I forgot to tell you that part. It's not necessary, but if you do want to see on TradingView, you can. And it should be under like add-ons or something like that. Yeah, there it goes. Like you can add for like $10 a month. Then you can add the TradingView account on there. But if you just want to watch it from here, you can download the TradeLocker app and watch it from there as well. But yeah, that's just how you auto trade this particular strategy. Again, the strategy is super profitable. And so if you want to look at the back test results of some of the stuff that we have here, as you can see, like 57% accurate on a 1 to 1.5, over $17,000 done, and you can actually edit this. Now, if you want to, if you don't know how to get this app and you want to, I have a little card box that's popping up or a link below with a video going over how to get access as well.